chicken bacon ranch cones.
What's going on, guys? I'm Spencer.
I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And we are here with our last cook at the Blue Water RV Resort here in Freeport, Texas. We're on the Gulf Coast and we're going to miss it, but we're excited to move on to our next location. But today,
we've got a really fun meal as our send-off. We are making chicken bacon ranch cones
on the Blackstone. So let's go fire it up.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious.
As you can see, it is a little bit bright today. It is a beautiful sunny day, so we're all wearing shades.
So the first thing we need to do is get the bacon on the griddle.
Yep, I'll do that. I don't think we necessarily need all the bacon for the recipe, but
We'll eat it. Let's just make it.
Why would you cook any less than the whole pack?
All right, are you ready to make some cones?
Yeah!
Yeah. To make our cone, it's really easy. We're gonna take a tortilla shell and roll it over and secure it in a cone shape with 2 toothpicks.
Look at our cone. Look at this thing.
All right, let's set that guy aside. Mommy's gonna make one. So we wanna roll our cone up and then we're just gonna secure that with our toothpick. And there you go. We've got our cone ready to go on the griddle.
Now that our cones are done and while the bacon is still cooking, I'm gonna get to chopping up our chicken. We've got chicken breast tenderloins here.
How are you gonna do these? You're gonna cube them?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut them down into small pieces so that they fit into our cones a little easier.
Hey, Daddy, can I season the chicken, please?
Sure can, buddy. Let me finish chopping it up and then I will let you do the seasoning.
To season our chicken, we're gonna use a little bit of salt, pepper, and Blackstone's Parmesan Ranch. I love the Parmesan Ranch. It is absolutely one of my most favorite Blackstone seasonings.
Good job, Bubba.
Little chef in the making.
May have pulled a CJ over here. Some of the bacon might be just a bit well cooked.
You had one job.
Hey, bacon thief. Easy on the bacon. Time to get the chicken on the griddle. We've got all that lovely, beautiful, liquid gold bacon grease on the griddle. And that's what our chicken's gonna get fried up in. All right, we got the chicken on the griddle. We got the bacon all fried up.
And the chicken won't take too long.
It's going to be done in a flash.
Shouldn't take too long.
So I think we'll get started cutting up some of those cherry tomatoes and getting the lettuce ready.
Perfect.
Good job.
What?
Do you know that ketchup is made out of tomatoes?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Yes, spaghetti sauce is made out of tomatoes.
Tomato sauces too.
That's right. We're a couple minutes away from our chicken being ready, and it's a great time to get our cones on the griddle.
Yep, so we're gonna throw the cones on the griddle, get them a little bit crispy on the outside so they hold their shape and give them a little crunch.
And then we are going to chop up the bacon. I'm gonna take the crispiest pieces I can find and just try to get them in small little, almost like bacon-sized bits.
While they're doing that, I'm gonna go give our cones a flip.
All right, everything's pretty much ready. So I'm just gonna pull off the cones and we're gonna just let them sit for a couple of minutes.
I'm not sure what the word for triangular cone is, but that's kind of where we ended up here.
Go ahead and let's pour in the bacon. All right, now we are going to douse it with some ranch. Mix it up. I'll add some lettuce.
I'll hold it.
Oh, that's perfect. Let's add some tomatoes. I wanted to get most of the mixing done first before adding the tomatoes just because I didn't want to squish them.
Good call.
And then we'll do some light stirring once the tomatoes are in.
All right, I am going to de-toothpick our cones so that we don't get splinters in our teeth.
We didn't really bring a small spoon for our stuffing, so we're just gonna have to go on in with our big spoon.
Nicely done.
Thank you, thank you. And then as you stuff, if you need to, I just kind of shake it so I can get some down all the way in the bottom of the cone.
All right, Bubba, you ready to chow down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
This one.
That's right.
All right.
Okay. Here we go.
That is really good.
Very tasty.
Cooking the chicken in the bacon fat.
Definitely try this one. It was so much fun. Really with these cones too, you can put anything inside. I mean, I think we'll be doing this with like tacos or I don't know, all kinds of stuff you can put inside these cones.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you can see our show and all the other great shows from Todd and Betty and Bruce and Nate and CJ. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious from Texas, and we will see you down the road.
Cheers.
Cheers!